Good morning and welcome to your weekly paid search tips and updates with iMarket Solutions. I am Nikki Bent, the Search Engine Marketing Manager here at iMarket. So let's get into it. All right, the big announcement in the last week has been Google made an update on the Google Ads grant that they're coming out with for small businesses. They actually started releasing that grant to advertisers in New Zealand and have said that that is going to be released to other countries over the next coming weeks as well. They also announced that the grant is going to be a maximum of $1,000 per company. So that means if you have multiple Google Ads accounts, you should only see it apply on one account. You won't see a grant for every single account you have. They've also announced that the funds that they're depositing into every account have to be used by December 31st of 2020 and can be used for anything related to Google Ads advertising. It's going to automatically apply into accounts. And the primary email address on file is going to get notified of the grant. So if you're working with an agency, you should check with them to make sure they notify you of how much grant you end up getting and what account that applies to. Here at iMarket, we will definitely be doing that for all of our clients. So again, that's the latest we've got. The grants have started rolling out. We should hopefully start seeing those in the States here soon, and there'll be a maximum of $1,000. As always, if you have any questions and you're a current iMarket client, please reach out to your marketing coordinator. And if you're not yet in our iMarket family, please request a website evaluation at our website. Again, I'm Nikki Bent, the Search Engine Marketing Manager, and I'll see you next week.